That's the way I would look at it. Yeah.
All right, Ambrose.
Thank you. I personally don't think that we have undecided voters. That's a language we borrow from. Pollsters borrow from democracies and other pollsters, undecided. Here in Kenya, we have secretive voters, and we have those who are lying. You'll call somebody and you ask him or her which likely candidate. People are very suspicious. So either they lie to you or they say, I've not decided. But here, unlike, let's say, in America or Britain, where somebody says, I don't know who is selling what. This manifesto does not register for me. Well, I'm not in this party. I'm not in that one. Like if you take America, there are those who are in the Democratic Party. There are those who are in the other party, Republican. So they are non-aligned. These are the ones they call undecided voters. And they vote either way. Can vote for a Republican candidate, they can vote for a Democrat candidate, depending on what they are selling. Here, we don't have such ideology. People wake up and say, I support Raila Odinga. I support William Ruto. Whatever William Ruto is selling, they are decided. I'm following Baba. Whatever Baba is selling, I'm decided. Then there are those who will not tell you. Don't tell, don't say, but they are already decided. Some also lie. I've seen quite a number. There are those when they see me and they guess my tribal composition, where I come from. And they will start the story. They just said, oh, this time, Baba is getting it. And we're like, who told you I'm with Baba? Then when you read there, they say, in fact. So they are liars in this process. These are the ones they call people already decided. The biggest group that we should be worried about are those who will not turn up to vote. But the ones who will vote, hakuna mtu ataenda hapo ase wapi Wajakoya and his those balls of a hyena or whatever, or they have decided.